You know when you think you're pronouncing a word correctly, but for others it's like, For a lot of my students, that word is anniversary. And since it's my wedding anniversary this week, a blend of 2 cultures and 2 languages, I thought it'd be a great time to talk about it. So let's learn how to pronounce anniversary clearly. Anniversary has 5 syllables, but we don't pronounce them all the same. I hear some of my students say anniversary, and some say anniversary. 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 Notice that the stress is on the ver. So we're going to go higher, louder, and longer. Anniversary. The other syllables, no matter if it's the I or the E, we're going to schwa them. So that means we'll go faster and we'll go So it's sorry. Anniversary. Try this sentence with me. Today is my wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary.
And here's what I love about the word anniversary. It doesn't just mean your wedding or romance. It's about time passing and growth. So for many of my students, it could be an English learning anniversary. How many years have you been learning? 1, 2, 5? Do you finally feel like you're improving? Then celebrate that anniversary. Or it can be your immigrant anniversary. How many years have you been living in the US? That was a challenge, but it helped you to grow. Celebrate that anniversary. Or my favorite, your voice anniversary. When you finally decided to let go of the self-judgment and to embrace your voice and to express yourself in your voice. Celebrate that. That's why this word means so much to me. And it's also meant a lot to my students.
My dear student Yuan used to let her native English-speaking husband speak for her, even with simple things like ordering a pizza, because she wasn't confident in her voice. So we started working on rhythm together. And you know what? She now speaks up for herself and others listen to her. Or my student Amy, she said that she was nervous around the other moms and because they were all native speakers. She didn't want to speak up even at her son's basketball game. Now, after working on mindset together with the Yash accent, she views being bilingual as a superpower, not something to be scared of. So she's there saying, way to go at her son's game. Now that you know the pronunciation of anniversary, don't just think of the pronunciation. Think of it as a celebration of your progress and your growth. And if you're ready to speak clearer and feel more confident, let's grow together. Hit subscribe and look at the notes to find out how we can work together. See you next time.